Hey guys, Burgess here, and in this video I will show you my strategy in Dragonheir Silent God about the flame domain. I have big struggles with this one. My team is getting killed by one of these boss spells, so in this video I'll show you how I actually did it. Of course we have to fast travel to this place. Okay, we have a flame domain here. You want to get red crystals. Now the game is very clever right here. Right now you can get for your flame and poison heroes crystals, but in the same time this heroes is going to get 30% more damage, and this is very important because if you focus just on, for example, fire and poison heroes, here you're going to have big problems, big problems. So my suggestion here is actually don't use these heroes, focus on the other heroes to actually take out this 30% extra damage. Also, I'll also show you with the heroes how you can actually boost your heroes. Right now my main hero, which is Burgess YouTube, is on fire, so we're going to switch it to ice. Why I actually want to go with ice is just because providing some shield. This hero is big pain, and by big pain I mean big pain. If you don't have some kind of healing, some kind of shields, stuff like this spell, I'm going to show which one, is going to actually destroy you. So yeah, let's just go and perform attack. Let's just continue. Now the first mobs is not a big problem. In any of these dungeons, the mobs is not a problem. Just destroy them. just destroy them. And from here we're going to get our first shields. Here the shield is also important because I don't have any hero. Now I have this hero that is providing healing over time when the enemy die, but at the boss we don't have mobs to kill it to actually trigger this healing. So it will be a race where you have to kill the boss before your heroes die. I mean, this is my personal strategy. I think I want to focus here on the damage, not on healing, and actually make this battle longer. Just I want to nuke this boss as fast as I can. And right now we only have one fire hero, and this is our tank. I think Horus is very nice hero. And yeah, as you can see, the HP of the boss is going down very fast. Here's the spell. Look at this, like over 50% from the HP of my heroes is basically out. It's basically out. This is very painful skill, and if you don't get some kind of shield, it will be even bigger pain. So yeah, we managed to kill him. I'm not so sure I can actually go for the next stage, just because it's very hard. It's not that easy. But this is my strategy. Just if your main hero is fire, just change it to frost so he can provide some kind of shield and increase the survivability of the rest of the heroes. Also, just use mostly damage hero. Just use maybe single target is going to be good, but also at the first stages you want to have some kind of AoE damage area of effect. So yeah, this is my team. Just avoid using fire and poison heroes and switch your main hero to frost to provide some kind of shield. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.